Hello everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 896 monotonic array. Okay, what the given question as an array is monotone if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. Mono means single. Okay, what they told it should be either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. Okay, the array should be. And they told an array nums is monotone increasing if all I is less than or equals to j, means nums of I should be less than or equals to nums of j. Okay, and array nums in monotone decreasing means it should be nums of I should be always greater than or equals to nums of j. If monotone increasing means nums of I should be less than or equals to nums of j. If should be strictly decreasing means nums of I should be greater than or equals to nums of j. And they told given an array nums, we need to return true if the array is monotonic. If it is true means the array is monotonic. If it is false means it is not a monotonic. Okay. In the example one, what they given nums equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, and the output is true. Why? Because see, then index 0 is index 1 compare. See, this element is increasing and index 1 and index 2 is equal, no problem. Index 2 and index 3, it is increasing. So it is true. And in example 2, what they give 6544 strictly decreasing, so it is true. Here what is happening 132 means output is false because see, 0th index and first index it is strictly increasing, but 3 2 it is strictly decreasing, so it is not, it is in not as increasing or not decreasing, so output is false. Briefly I will show in whiteboard. I will go with first example. Okay, first I will take 1 2 2 3. See, these elements, see, these are strictly increasing. Okay. How I will use the logic by using sort function. I will use the logic. What I will take two vectors. One is v1 and other is v2. Okay. If v1, what I will do, I will sort in ascending order. In v2, what I will do, I will sort the in descending order. I will take one nums. Okay. Nums means these original elements I will take 1, 2, 2, 3. In V1, what I will do? I will do sort in ascending order. Okay. In V1, what will happen? V1 equals to sort means 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. In V2, what I will do in descending order? 3, 2, 2, 1. This is V2. Okay. I will see my elements V1 and V2. I will take one or by using OR operator I will do, which is V1 elements and nums elements, and I will use an OR operator. V2 equals to nums. Okay, I will see. See nums 1, 2, 2, 3, and we can observe V1 1, 2, 2, 3. See, this is matching. Then I will tell it is true. If V2 is matching equals to nums means it is true. Okay, this logic I will apply. I will show the code to you. See, here what I did, I taken a function as monotonic. Okay, the function takes the parameter nums, which is a vector type. Okay, and after that I taken two vectors v1 and v2, which are the copies of input vector nums. Okay, after that I taken sort function. Okay, for v1 I used it in ascending order. Okay, and after that v2 in descending order I sorted the function by using the sort function and the greater int function. Okay, after that I check for checking the condition, what I used, sorted vector v1 is equals to the input vectors of nums, and another one v2 of sorted with equals to the nums of vector. If these are matching, anyone matching, I will return as return 1. If they are not matching, I will return 0. Now I will show the dry run. I will go with example 2 for brief understanding. 6544. Okay, 6544. Okay, what I am doing here, I am sorting here in ascending order. Okay, means 4 4 5 6. Here I'm what I'm doing in V2. I'm sorting in descending order. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 4. Okay. I will now chart. What is my V1? V1 is 4, 4, 6. No. 4, 4, 5, 6. I will compare with nums. My nums, what is this? 6, 5, 4, 4, 6. I will use OR operator. What is my V2? V2 elements are 6, 5, 4, 4 equals to my nums is there 6, 5, 4, 4. Nums is this one, okay? 6, 5, 4, 4. Because why I written, you can understand very easily. We can compare my V1 and nums are matching. It's not matching. See, my V2 and nums are matching. So we can tell we can return 1 because I'm using OR operator. Any one condition is true, it will be satisfied. Return 1. So 1 is nothing but true. Okay. Now I will go with example 3. See, 1, 3, 2. After sorting my V1 visible lights, it is V1 is in ascending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3. V2 will be visible like in descending order. I used to use. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I will compare my elements. What is V1? V1 elements are 1, 2, 3 equals to nums is 1, 3, 2. Okay, 1, 3, 2. OR operator. My V2 is 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1 equals to my nums are 1, 3, 2. See, V1 is not matching to nums and V2 is not matching to nums. Okay, then I will not return 1, I will return 0. So my output is false. Okay, now I will run the code. Yeah, this is accepted solution, but this logic, what is happening? The time complexity is taking big of 2n log n because I am using two sort function where 2 is constant, so it is taking big of n log n. Okay, and space complexity is taking big of n because I am taking vector. Okay, it is consume some amount of space. Okay, so to reduce the better time complexity and space complexity, there is another logic I will show. Okay. Here I will go with uh, proper understanding. And what I am doing, I am taking this first example. Okay, I will compare my current element with the previous element. If current element is the previous element, if current element is greater than previous element, means I will tell it is strictly increasing, and it should follow continuous order. Okay, then I am tell it is strictly increasing. I will tell it is decreasing equals to set to 0. Okay, if I go with second example 6, 5, 4, 4. Okay, 5, 4, 4. In this what happening? See, my current element with previous element is what is happening? It is less than. See, if after iterating, my current element will be 4 and previous element will be 5. It is strictly decreasing. Okay, see, 4 is 4, and if you compare with my current element with previous element is strictly should be less than or equals to 4. This is satisfying. It is strictly decreasing. But I will set my increasing to 0. Okay. Now I will show the code for you to understand. What I am doing, I am taking two variables. One is increment, I will set to 1, and another decrement, I will set to 1. Okay. Now I will start my for loop. I will start to iterate. It will start from first index. Okay. I equals to 1. I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. If it starts from second element, it will count from the to the last element. Okay. I will enter into for loop. In for loop, I will take two conditions. Okay. One is if nums of I should be greater than nums of I minus 1. What is this line meaning means my current element whenever it is greater than the previous element, what I will do, I will decrement, I will set it to 0. Another condition, if nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1 means I will set my increasing to 0. What I'm doing, my current element, whenever if it is less than the previous element, I will set it to increasing 0. It is the meaning, it is strictly decreasing. Okay. Finally, after iterating all the vector of the elements, I will return increment or decrement. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, how it will work, I will show. I will go with all the examples. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3. I will go with first example. 1, 2, 2, 3. My I value will be 1. Okay. Now I'll check the condition. Nums of 5 is it will start from first index. Okay. 2. 2 is greater than I equals to 1 means first index. Okay. I minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0. 0th index means 1. Okay. 2 is greater than 1. This condition is true. What I will do, I will keep my decrement to 0. Now my I will be updated to 2. I will see my second index. Second index is 2. Okay. At 2 minus 1 means first index. First index is also 2. What I told, it should be strictly greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Okay. Uh, what I am doing here, nums of 2. Nums of 2 means second index 2. Okay. 2 should be greater than or equals to 2 minus 1 means first index. Yeah, this condition is true. Decrement is 0. Now I equals to 3. Now I will see my third index. Third index is 3. Where 3 is greater than or equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. Second index is 2. Yeah, this condition is true. My decrement is 0. What I will do here, I will return my increment is 1 and my decrement is 0. Just anyone we need to return. Return 1 means true. Okay. So my output is true. Now show with second example. 6, 5, 4, 4. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 4. Okay. First starting my I value will be 1. Okay. We need to see nums of 1 minus 5. Okay. 5. See, previous element is 6 because it is greater than. Then this condition will be work now. 5 is less than or equals to 6. This condition is true. My now increment will work. Increment is set to 0. Okay. Now when I value will be 2, I value is 2. Okay. Now our condition will become nums of 2 we need to see. Nums of 2 value is 4. Okay. 4 is less than or equals to 5. This condition is true. Increment is set to 0. I value will be 3. Okay. 4 is less than or equals to 4. This condition is true. My incremental set to 0. Okay. Now we can write, we can return. Okay. My increment is 0 with our operator. My decrement is 1. Okay. We are returning 1 as true. Okay. Now I'll go with third example. 1, 3, 2. Our I set to 1. Okay. Now I value 1 means nums of 1 value is 3, where 3 is greater than or equals to I minus 1 means 0. 0th index is 1. Okay. Yeah, this condition is true. We will set decrement to 0. Okay. Now our I value will be incremented to 2. Then our index value will be 2. Okay. See, where 2 is less than or equals to 3, because 2 minus 1 is first index we need to see. First index is 3. See, we will, our increment will be also 0 now. We'll update inc equals to 0. Okay. See, both are working here. We are returning 0, 0. Or operator 0, 0 means 0. We are returning false. Okay. Now I will submit the code. Yeah, it is accepted solution. Okay. Now we can discuss the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. Time complexity is big of n because we are iterating all the vector elements once. Okay. And the space complexity is big of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. Okay. We are taking only two variables to store the elements. This is the logic, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video.